Hello and welcome to another lecture in Bitcoin Full Node series by TechLatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like what is Bitcoin Full Node, why you run a Bitcoin Full Node, and what is the benefits and how you use Bitcoin Full Node VM, what is the benefits of using TechLatest.net Bitcoin Full Node VM. Then we had covered how to provision Bitcoin Full Node on AWS, then how to provision Bitcoin Full Node on Google Cloud Platform. So now in this lecture, we'll talking about how to provision full Bitcoin full node on Microsoft Azure. So basically, this is a step-by-step process and demonstration lecture. We will show you step-by-step process. Setting up a Bitcoin full node on Microsoft Azure is a straight but process. Azure offers a range virtual machine, openness suit your computational needs, allowing you to run reliable and secure full node on the cloud. Okay, so the process involves creating an Azure VM, configuring it with the necessary software and hardware resources required the Bitcoin blockchain. So let's start our demonstration process. Go to browser, go to browser, and here you can see that how to get Bitcoin full node kit on Azure. If you go on techlatest.net website, click on product and support page, then here you can see the Bitcoin full node offerings in block. Here you can see that in blockchain offers, you a blockchain option, you can see the Bitcoin full node offerings. Then here you can find about all the things, then GCP, AWS, Azure deployment guide. So if you click on, because in this lecture we're talking about Azure deployment guide. If you click on Azure deployment guide, so here you can find about how to get Bitcoin full node kit on Azure. This is the step-by-step process. Okay, so here you can see what is the first step. Open Bitcoin full node listing on Azure Marketplace. If you click on this link, so this will open a new link. Here you can see that an Azure Marketplace Bitcoin full node with ordinary protocol support on Azure Cloud. Then click on Get In Now button and follow the login step. It will take you to the Azure portal. I have already logged in with my credentials. If you use this VM, you can log in with your credentials and doing all the things. Then now next, what is the next step? Here you can see that Bitcoin full node with ordinal protocol support on Azure Cloud by tech latest overview, plans and pricing ratings plus reviews. All the things are here, like having your own Bitcoin blockchain node provides you following benefits, and see the benefits of Bitcoin. Pre-install setup also include note is there. Then click on get it now. Click on continue. So it will take you to Bitcoin node. Then here you can see that full node Bitcoin with ordinary protocol support on Azure cloud. Then click on create. Then here you can find about all the things. So project details, resource, you can also select resource group, or you can also create a new resource group. So if you want to create a new resource group, so you can create from here Bitcoin testing. Okay. So click on OK, and you can create a new group, virtual machine name. So you can give any virtual machine name here, like what do we give? Bitcoin Azure. Give virtual machine name. Then here you can see the security type are standard. So this is the very important step. So select the identify select the reason we want to launch the VM, such as EastUM. Optionally change the number of ports and amount of memory. Select the authentication type as password, enter username and password for the VM. Optionally change the OS disk type. Optionally change the network name and some network names. You can go with the default settings. Optionally go to the management, advanced and text tabs for any advanced settings you want for the VM. Click on review plus create and then click on create when you're done. Bitcoin full node kit will be start deploying. Okay. So we have to these all steps. So virtual machine name Bitcoin Azure. Then you can select region according to your preference. Then availability zones. Then zone. Then security type as a standard. Then Bitcoin full node is by default. You can also select this. Okay, and this is by what I want. Okay, so here you can see our authentication type as password. Give username, it is Ubuntu by default, it is Ubuntu password name keep any strong password. Okay. So give any password. You can confirm your password. Yep. So we can give password. We can confirm our password. Then click on next. Okay. And after this, what we have to do? Again click on next. Then again click on next. Then again click on next. Then again next advanced. Then next text. Then review and create. So here you can see that all the things are here, like in basic option subscription, here all the things like what is the model and other things. Okay, so let's see what is our next step. After this, click on review plus create and click on create. When you are done, Bitcoin full node will be uh, Bitcoin full node kit will be begin deploying. After this, a summary page displays when the virtual machine is successfully created. Click on Go to Resource link to the resource page. In the left navigation pane, select Run command, select Run Shell script, and enter the following command to change the password of the VM. Okay, then click on Create. So after this, it will take, you can see that the initializing deployment, it will take 1 or 2 minutes. So now you can see that our VM is successfully deployed, and after this go to resource, and here you can see all the details about the VM like resource group, status, running location, operating system. Then you can also see the your public IP. Okay, so here you can find out the public IP. In the left navigation pane, select run command, select run shell script, and enter the following command to change the password of the VM. Okay, so copy this command and search about run command, run shell script, then paste it, give your password. Okay, and yep, after this, what we have to do next? Okay, and run this command so you can get the output here. Okay, script execution is in process. And what we have to do next to access the VM, use the IP address of the DNS address in the POTI. Okay, so we have already copy the IP address from the VM details page. So copy this IP and again you can go on run. Okay, I think first open the paste your IP. Now next what we have to do, uh, again copy this command and close that window. You can't close that window when execution is in process. Okay, choose a password. So what we have to do next, run this command. You can see that studio execution is in process. Okay, so to access the VM is the public use the IP address or DNS in the security. Provide the password for the event user created in step 5. Okay, so we have already opened the VM. Click on open. So click on accept, and after this, what we have to do? Speak. Okay, change settings and appearance. Yeah. So, so login is Ubuntu. Okay, and give password we have to set up here. So you can see that enable success start output and start array. This will script execution complete and it will successful. Okay, now give password when you set up in step 5. So yes, you can see that. Welcome to the fish. And here it is working, that is Ubuntu Bitcoin Azure. Okay, now what we have to do next to connect using the RDP via Windows machine. First note the public IP address or DNS. Okay, so for again go on your VM details page and copy the public IP address and search about remote desktop option. Paste your IP here, connect this and click on yes. Next, then from a local window, go to start menu. We have already completed this step. In the remote desktop connection wizard, copy the public IP address or DNS address and click connect. We have already completed. This will connect with the VM desktop environment. Please provide username and password. Click OK. So now you are connected out of the box. Bitcoin full node environment by Windows machine. Then what we have to do next? Ubuntu give you password. Hello, then okay. Then here you can see that it is working now. And yep. So now you are connected to out of the box remote desktop option of Bitcoin. Okay. And to connect using RDP via Linux machine, first note the external IP of the VM from the VM details page. Then for local Windows machine, go to menu in the search box and type select Ramina. If you don't have Ramina installed on your Linux machine, first install Ramina as per Linux distribution. In the remote desktop client wizard, select the RDP option from the drop down and paste the external IP and click enter. This will connect to the VM desktop environment. Provide Ubuntu as a user ID and the password set in this step 5 to authenticate. If you are a Linux user, then you use Ramina. If you are a Windows user, then you use RDP. I connected to out of the box Bitcoin full node environment in a Linux machine through Ramina. Here you can see that we are connected RDP via remote desktop via Bitcoin full node on remote desktop options, and you can see that all the options are here. Then next, what we have to do, we can run some commands. This depends on you. We can run Bitcoin, okay, and open booty, okay, Bitcoin, and this will be working now. Yep, it will work. Okay. And to verify the command execution to monitor dummy contains the W command. Same all the steps are here like AWS and GCP. So you can read all the steps on our website also, and you can watch the videos for demonstration process to set up the Bitcoin on Azure. So yep, I hope you guys like this course, and we will provide you more videos in very soon. Okay, so yep, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and show some love and support. And also in comment section, comment your views about the courses, like what we have to improve in courses and what is the quality of the courses, other topics you want to cover in this courses. So tell me in the YouTube, tell me in YouTube comments. So yep, that's all about this video, and we will meet in next video.